From this equation, find out the value of x. First we can write 36 is equal to 6 square of x power of x, and 6x is the 20. And now this interchange this, so there is the x and there is a 2, and this is the x is 20. And now we take the x is equal to a, so there is the x square and there is the a, and this is the 20 is 0, and we can write this x, and this we can write the 5a minus 4a, this is the 20 is 0. And now take the common of a, so a is 5 and there is the 4, take this is the a 5 is 0, and there is the a 5 is, and there is the a minus 4 is equal to 0. And now a plus 5 is equal to 0, so there is the a value is minus 5. From there we can write this, and from there a minus 4 is equal to 0, so the a is equal to 4, we can write this. And now if this is equal to a, so a is equal to, we take this minus 5, but any positive power rise, any base, positive base rise the power, there is the always the, this is positive number but there is the negative, so this is cancelled because any positive number is greater than of 0. So this is the negative, so this is the cut. So only taken the, this is equal to this 4 is taken, this is positive. And now take the log to the 6, and there is the, take the log 4, 4 is equal to 2 square, and there is the x, and log 6 we can write the log 2 into 3, this is the, we can write 2 log 2, and now the x is equal to, there is the 2 log 2, and there is the log, this part, this is here, so this is here, so there is a log 2 and plus log 3. And now from here we can write the 2 and this log 2 approximately 0.31, and this is log 2 is 0.301, and this is the log 3 value is the 0.477, and approximately this is multiply here, so 602, this multiply, and this is plus here, so this plus here the 877, and approximately this is divide here, so divide here, this is the value is 0.7 and 74. So x value, this x value is this, approximately this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.